Hey, here's a linear programming problem about calculators, and we're going to do this one with Geogebra, and that'll help take out a lot of the work. So a calculator company needs to have scientific and graphing calculators. Long-term projections means the demand is at least 100 scientific calculators and at least 80 graphing calculators. So we've got two different calculators, so I'm just going to say X means the scientific calculators. Let's write scientific calculator. And the Y is the graphing calculator. Alright, so we need at least 80 graphing calculators and no more than 170 graphing calculators. So I'm just going to say 80 is less than or equal to Y is less than or equal to 170. And we also have, let's see here, scientific, we have 100 less than or equal to X is less than or equal to 200. So between 100 and 200 scientific calculators and between 80 and 170 graphing calculators. Okay, now to satisfy the shipping contract, a total of at least 200 calculators must be shipped every day. So now we've got another equation. So 200 calculators, we don't know which ones. So X plus Y is greater than or equal to 200. We can also write that as Y is greater than or equal to negative X plus 200. And our profit equation, I'll just write that one in green for profit, also called our revenue. I'll just write it as R. Revenue at a $2 loss for the scientific, so that's minus 2 times however many scientific calculators there are, and then a $5 profit on the graphing calculator. So that's 5Y. Alright, so let's jump over into Geogebra and let's graph some of these. So we have X is greater than or equal to 100. And let's zoom out. We have X is less than or equal to 200. Okay, so this has now been doubly shaded. We have 80 is less than or equal to Y. Let's see if that graphed. Right there. Okay, and then we also have Y is less than or equal to 170. Okay, let's grab that. And another one, we have X plus Y is greater than or equal to 200. I bet you I can just put it in like that. X plus Y is greater than or equal to 200. Okay, so the piece that's been covered all the times is this piece right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a point, I'm going to plop it I'm going to turn all these off first. It doesn't like it when I plot down a point like that. I'm just going to plot a point like that, and I'll turn it back on. And now we will enter our profit equation, which is negative 2x, but I'm going to use b here as my point, so that's negative 2 times the x value of point b, and then plus 5 times the y value of b. And that'll tell us our profit right here, so 390. Let's just drag this point around and see where it's at a maximum. And it looks like up here when X is 100 and B is 170. So when X is 100 x equals 100 and y is equal to 170. And that way we've maximized our revenue.